You're welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to increase transfer limit in HDFC Mobile App. So watch the video to the very end because don't make any mistakes, and also hit the subscribe button because that helps me out. So let's get started. To increase the transfer limit in the HDFC Mobile Banking, follow this simple step-by-step guide. So the first thing to do is to open the HDFC Mobile Banking app and log in with your credential. Then go to the menu, then click on Fund Transfer. Then select the Modify Fund Transfer Limit or Manage Beneficiary Limit. Then choose the transaction types, which is the IMPS, NEFT, RTGS, or UPI. These are the types of transaction list that is right there. Then just pick the kind of one that's suited for you. Then enter the amount, then enter the transfer limit and confirm it. Then authenticate using the OTP sent to your registered mobile number. Then you can also contact the HDCF customer support using these numbers which is on the screen. You can call them for any assistance, and that's how you can simply increase transfer limit in HDFC Mobile App. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button, and follow for more.